of cube. I already have some bus stops here. I imported some models, and we can just drag and drop our bus stands here on our scene, and we'll just check. This is the one type of bus stand. We'll remove this. We don't need. We can use this bus stand is good. Yeah, this is good. So we can arrange. So in Pakistan we have left hand side driving. Okay, so we should add these bus stands on the left side. Also, after arranging, I will show you one thing. Let's check this bus stand size first, okay, because I want to check the size, so accordingly we will do. So size is very small as compared to the Suzuki, so yeah, we will place it with Suzuki. Okay, so and we will get some idea. Yeah, smaller than Suzuki, so we will make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, now it's fine, and then we can place this to somewhere here. No, not here. Yeah, we have one stop here definitely. This is the first stop. This will be first stop, and now we will just create one cube for base. Just I'm making these things. You can do by your mind. Okay, I'm creating these things just for initial modeling, and I'm just making the floor. Okay, so that our road and this bus stand will be in a sequence. Yeah, it's implemented, but oh, why not? I don't know why it's not picking. Yeah, because there are two cubes and we have to delete one. Yes, now it's fine. And also for this and this, sorry. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, now what we can do, we can just place some flowers here or some hurdles here, so our Suzuki can pick the passengers from specific area only. Okay, that our Suzuki can enter from one place and can exit from another place. Okay, so for that what we can do, we can place some hurdles here. Okay, so I already have assets in low poly street packs. I have very good assets here. Maybe in here roadblocks are there as well, so we can place some roadblocks. Yeah, we will place some roadblocks here. So let's try this one. Yeah, this is good. So okay, one thing to check, that you can see box collider here. It's very important, so it should be on most of our objects. Box collider is needed. Okay, in case of these prefabs, you can see there is no box collider. Okay, so on this we don't need box collider, we can add mesh collider. Okay, because mesh collider, one more thing is that inside bus stop there are two things, sign board and bus stop. We can add mesh collider on bus stop. Okay, mesh collider, and also sign mesh collider. Also we'll do that with this um, coffee shop and mesh collider only. Okay, and with shops also. So for shops we can add mesh collider, and for this shop we can add mesh colliders as well. So now this collision will be detected. Okay, so here what we can do, we can place some hurdles here, and we will also check the Suzuki that how much way area Suzuki needs to move. Okay, so for that purpose we will also test the Suzuki as well after creating these things, and then we will finalize this stand. Okay, so why I am doing this with only this stand, okay, one stand only, because we will make prefab of this stand whole with all components. Okay, and then we will just duplicate the prefab and we'll use to another areas. That's it. Okay, so we don't need to, we will place ground textures later on, but for time being I'm doing like this. Okay, so that's good. Our bus stand is ready, and one more thing, we will add some benches here so passengers can sit. Okay, so low poly street back, and we have benches here, we can place some benches here. It has box collider, that's fine. Also we will add one bench here. That's good. Now we will add some more mailbox. We can add a little, I'm making this little bit interactive. Okay, so that mailbox here we can add, no problem. That's it, our best stand is ready. Now at this point, from where the Suzuki will pick the passengers, we will add this cube. That's it, because this cube contains that points thing. Okay, so we will add this cube here. So if Suzuki successfully reached this position, it will get money and passengers as well. Okay, so exactly this position we want. That's good. Now we can just hide the mesh collider. Okay, but before this mesh renderer, before hiding this mesh renderer, what we can do, we will add one more cube. Okay, so I have a idea here. Yeah, so we will also go to scripts and add one script here. So lose score script. Okay, so what this script will done, it will minus the scores. Okay, so if this is our score count, so we will just add, copy these things, we will add here, and we will just make it minus. So when something collide with this collider with this script, the score will be decreased. Okay, so now if we duplicate this cube and we will place it here. Okay, and we will just remove the score count script from this cube, and we will add lose scores script here. Okay, so now we can try. So if we go to here, yeah, our scores increased. Okay, and if we, yeah, our scores minus, that's fine, that's good. So that thing we needed. Okay, so but this cube is too big for losing score, so we'll make it smaller, because yeah, we can make it bigger in length but smaller in width. Okay, now we have tested our scripts which are working fine, and now we will just finalize this prefab of our bus stand. And for that, last thing I will do is to create some boundaries of this bus stand. So I'll just duplicate this plane, and then I'll just build some boundary. Okay, like this. That's good. And this side as well. Control D, rotate, scale, and then place it to your desired position. That's fine. We'll duplicate, oh sorry, to the another side. Then we will just add some colors to these walls, just for creating some interactivity. Sorry. That's it. And lastly, we will just do one more thing. We will duplicate this sign, control D, and then we will place the sign here maybe, and on this sign we will just add a stand label. Okay, so here what we can do, we can go to Google, and here we will write stand, sorry, png stop, not passengers, png icon stop, Yeah, like this. So I have created one image for stand 1 to this stand. You can see it's this side is the real side. Yeah, now it's fine. After this we will skew its width and we will just arrange this on accurate position. Go to this bus stand and add this image to this stand. Now these are both are one element, and then I will save, and now I will create one empty object and name this read assets. Okay, so after this I will just select this box because this is a cube where we implemented our code. This cube also we will rename this to stand floor. This cube we can rename to script cube, and we will just add these cubes to bus stand 1. Okay, after that we have these 3 cubes also for walls. We can add these also into bus stand, and then after this we will just select other things that are related to our bus stand, and we will just drag these things into bus stand 1. Okay, that's very simple. So what else? Yeah, this one, roadblock and small town shop also. So we can drag these things also in bus stand. Now our bus stand is ready. If we select the bus stand and move, everything is moving in a proper way. So now we have organized our things inside this game object. We will just do last thing. We will select this box and make it mesh render. We will disable. So now it's not visible. Control S for save, and then we can just come to our prefabs area, and here are our prefabs, and we will just drag and drop this bus stand prefab here. That's very simple. Okay, now if we delete this thing, you can see we have no worry because we have this prefab. So whenever we drag this prefab anywhere in our game, we will get, sorry, this is for shell pump, this prefab, so we will get our bus stand at right position. Okay, so that's very simple. We have created our bus stand in this video, and in same style I already have created these CNG and pumps, etc. So I will also add create some more prefabs, and definitely I will make 2-3 more videos on modeling, because people are confused with modeling, although it's very easy in Unity. So I'll make 1-2 videos on modeling, and because modeling will take time, so I'll not create too much videos on that topic. Okay, so we are picking the passengers. Yeah, we got 200 and here, and then later on we will add some animation here, okay, for picking the passengers as well. So that's it. We have finished our bus stand and successfully made prefab. Okay, that's it for this video. Next video I will do some more modeling. Thank you very much.